Already back here. So GBPUSD, as you can see here, right? We'll do it like this. If you wanted to be bearish on it, something like here, where it was under the 200, which is the strongest EMA, well, the strongest I have. You have the 134, the 13, 6, and the 3. When it's all in sequential order like that, look at this from this weekly candle here. So this was in the pandemic crash. You could see the date there, but in 2 weeks, this thing dropped 1,500 pips. You know, here's another example here. Bearish under the EMAs. Now the closer 200 is to the 100 is stronger, but now this was a couple weeks. This dip. We'll just go to these two candles here. You know, almost 500 pips here, dated 5/13. Now this was 2 months, 1,100 pips. When you're under the, the EMAs you want to sell, pretty much. So right now, we're not really under. So be careful. I wouldn't sell off the weekly here. We're still hanging on the 34 here. But we did pull back. If you look at this candle here. Let's see. We went down 339 pips this week, right? Past week. So let's go to the 4 hour. Let's see here. Well, 2 weeks ago, actually. That wasn't this past week. But a short opportunity to be caught would have been on the 16th of June. We're below all these EMAs. This is where you wanted to short, around here, 174 pips. This came, 300, whatever, but you don't know how many pips you're going to catch or how much profit you're going to have. You want to be close to that cross. So currently, we're under the 34 on the 4 hour, but we got to see how the market opens. Momentum waves printed down. Let me see here. The 16th. The further when these EMAs stretch out, they got to come back, so I wouldn't short just yet. I like shorting when it's close to the 100 or 200 to be safe. But you see how they're stretched out here and they eventually came back. This was the big short here. There we go, 200, 100. You see here, the higher EMA, then you got the second highest when it's in order. If you caught that, look, 120 pips right there. Obviously, it got lower, but this is where you want to be. That's where you want to be. Let's go to the daily. Let me see something here on the daily. Got a little low. There we go. Daily this is consolidation because it's in between EMAs. As far as the daily goes, this would have been a good area to buy right here. Take the market up here off the day chart. Ooh, pips for the swings. This was choppy, but it went up. But personally, let's see, it wants to go downward. I would want to, let's see, this is the hour. I don't like shorting when prices by the 6 and the 3 because it goes like this. Prices could hang by the 200, then the 100, then the 34, then the 13, then the 6 and 3, then the 1. I don't have the 1 and the 2, but after it goes to 0, it has to go back up it has to try to go to the 34. So let's look at a small time frame. Let's see what's going on here. Yeah, if you want to short on the 15-minute, look for this setup. 200, look at it, look right here. These are your setups right here. You want to buy 200 and the 100. See, this, how much lower you don't get that much lower. It's going to retest. So I want to short GBPUSD right here personally if I'm going for the short, unless it breaks around and wants to go long. Let me get rid of this. It's been a while, but something like here, it's choppy, but it went up. Other than that, I want to see how let's say this. I want to see how it reacts right here, and we'll go from there. That's the best way to really describe it. And the market's going to open in like an hour, half an hour, it looks like. So we'll see. Catch y'all later.